This is called a round brush. This is called a flat brush. For obvious reasons, one's flat, one's round. This is more of a mop brush, and this is an even larger one. You can get these brushes reasonably priced, about $30, $25, $8, and maybe $6. This is squirrel hair, synthetic squirrel hair. This is a blend of squirrel hair and synthetic. This is totally synthetic, and this is synthetic. You can pay a lot of money for brushes, but these are 3 brushes or 4 that you should have. We will start today with the round brush and see what it can do. 3 colors, 1 piece of paper. I suggest that you get good paper. This is 140 pound cold press Canson watercolor paper. There are many brands, and you can find out in all these classes which are the best. This is a very simple yellow, and it's called Azo yellow. It's nice and clear. This is Thalocene blue, nice and clear. And this is permanent alizarin. Make sure it's permanent. Don't get cheap paints. Clean water. Always charge your brush. And let's thin the paint. Put a little drop here. And let's take a little bit of the phthalo. And now we're going to add a little more here. And touch it to the rag. And let's do some strokes. Holding the brush. You can hold the brush like this. You can hold the brush like this. You can hold it with your mouth, your feet. Anything can hold a brush. If you're using fingers, what you want to do is you want to brace a finger on the board here, and then just like a swing it, just put some strokes in. Don't move here, just stroke. And you'll see that you can get some fairly good strokes. Now, a little more water, a little stronger paint. Keep your paint thin. Okay, now this one, we're going to sweep the stroke. You see that baby finger? Gently guides you into big and small. That's the round brush. Next, a little more. The scumble. Scumbling is when you go like this. I'll slow it down, up, over, down, in just all over until the brush gets dry. See, I'm scumbling the brush. Look how much paint you get with just that much. Now what I'm doing here is creating texture. I'm not trying to create a picture, even though I see a picture. You'll always see a picture. Here we have some fence posts. That's the scumble. So next is the dry brush. And that's when you hit your brush a bit like that. And then you can add little feathery strokes. So those are some of the strokes that you can do with the round brush. Always rinse it off and reshape the tip and put it down. Fun with your brushes.